The feeling's like it to a first date out of the pen. Pockets fluffy in the new whip, I'm amped on 10. Adrenaline charge, I feel like the Spanish girlfriend I saw peeping me sweetly in the rearview again. Chris fade dark was on, it was the month of June. Sun shining, perfect timing, she was key lime too. Fresh pick profile, made me crack and smile immediately. I bust the UV bag, shorty with style.
Caught you staring, I saw you smile. The way you look, it makes me kinda shy. Is it the clothes I'm wearing? Cause my beauty goes much deeper than my style. I got a lot to give, baby. My life and how I live. Cause I'm about the sharing, and not the little things that light up your eyes. You want this, but are you blinded by infatuation? Oh, oh, oh. You better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love. Say you take me all night, looking for a situation. Let it go, let it go. You better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love. You say you can love and cherish me. How can I be yours if I'm a mystery? You gotta get a hold. I just need you to know that I'm sure. Now I can dig it, baby, cause I know you digging me. We gotta take it slow, cause this is something for the rest of my life. Say you want this, but are you blinded by infatuation? Oh, oh, better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love. Say you take me all night, looking for a situation. Oh, no, let it go. You better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love.
You know you're a breath of fresh air, right? You know, I acknowledge your existence immediately in the rearview mirror, and I couldn't just let you walk by and all. But you know what? I'm feeling your essence, though. You know what I mean? Don't ask me how, but I know you're a beautiful woman inside as well as out.
A new love, a new love, a new love for life, because I'm looking for a new type of love. A new love, a new love, a new love for life, because I'm looking for a new type of love. Say you want this, but are you blinded by infatuation? You better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love. Say you take me all night, looking for a situation. You better let it go, because I'm looking for a new type of love.
Beautiful, centric, etheric, love. Oh man. You're a breath of fresh air, you know that, right? Shit, I had to stop.